Former Orlando Pirates midfielder Oupa Manyisa believes Sipombole possesses all the qualities required to earn himself a move to Europe and says the playmaker's resurgence at the Buccaneers may only be the beginning. Once on the fringes of South Africa's football, Mbole's career has undergone a remarkable turnaround after Mamelodi Sundowns opted against renewing his contract following a loan spell at Sekhukhune United and persistent reports of disciplinary concerns. The 27-year-old found himself at crossroads, yet even in free agency. Both Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates admirers still saw value in the gifted midfielder. Pirates ultimately threw him a lifeline, and Bule has rewarded the club handsomely. Nicknamed the Master Chef for his creativity and flair, he has adapted to life at the Soweto Giants with surprising ease, quickly becoming a fan favorite and injecting fresh dynamism into the Buccaneers' engine room. His resurgence did not go unnoticed. At national level, Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Bros, renowned for his tough selection criteria and reluctance to recall previously overlooked players, wasted no time ending Bulle's 4-year absence from the national setup. It was a clear statement: the midfielder is back and playing at a level too high to ignore. Manyisa shared the pitch with Mbule in informal five-a-side games during Lazar's sidelined days at Sundowns, says he always recognized the spark and said, "I could see that he is very talented. He's a special player." When he moved to Pirates, he adjusted quickly because he's surrounded by players who work for him. The former Sundowns and Pirates star believes Mbule's intelligence on the ball rather than his work rate makes him a standout and insists that the right environment can unlock even greater heights. With the 2026 FIFA World Cup and next year's Africa Cup of Nations approaching, Manyisa is convinced that these tournaments could serve as Mbule's springboard to Europe and said if he goes to AFCON and the World Cup with these performances, I don't see him coming back. He can go to Europe. He's a quick thinker. He sees things others don't. For him to rise even higher, he needs to add goals to his game. For now, Mbule's revival has breathed new life into both club and country. But if Manyisa's prediction proves accurate, South African football may need to savor the MasterChef while they can, because the next chapter of his career might be written on European soil. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.